I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at changing the brush head on the Philips Sonicare toothbrush. So periodically, you want to change out the brush head on here, and you'll know it's time to do that because this little indicator will blink amber like that, showing that it's time to replace that brush head. So the way we do that, we're going to pop the one off that we want to get rid of. So just give it a solid pull, pop it off of there. Depending on your model, you'll have to choose a specific brush head that matches it. Now let's get a new one. Okay, now we just want to pop this back on, and you can see even after I do that, that indicator is still going to blink. So the way to shut that off, we're going to place the toothbrush on its charger, then we're going to hold the power button for 5 seconds while it's on the charger. And it's going to pulse to let us know. There we go, once it's done with its pulses there, 3 pulses. Now we know it's reset. And I can take this off and I can brush, and that indicator is not going to light up until the next time that I have to change my brush head. And now it's all clean and new and ready to go. That's how we change the brush head on the Philips Sonicare toothbrush. If you found this helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps.